So it's the day 2 and we are at Universal Studio. It is just 15 to 20 minutes from Little India to Harbourfront Station. That is the MRT. And you have to come by, it's just a walking distance of 5 to 10 minutes from Vivo City Mall level 2. And you can see there the Sentosa Studio and the Universal Studio. So we'll just go walking. It's just 5 minutes. We are very much early today, thank God.
Thank God, we have reached in time and this is the check-in counter. We have to scan this over here.
So guys, we are at the Universal Studios Singapore, a theme park with 28 rides, shows and attractions in 7 themed zones. The rates of the tickets are $70 per person. The roller coaster rides have a locker of 20 to 25 minutes to keep your belongings. If you are late, then you have to pay a rent of $10 to $15 extra. The Transformers ride is highly recommended. The interior of the ride looked like a movie set and very realistic.
Which makes for a fairly bad combination. As you may be able to see, the ranks of the opposition.
You will definitely want to go again on the streets of Mummy Returns ride, which is highly recommended, and this entire area looked like Egypt itself. We found Shrek and his cast and also saw the 3D movie with special effects. This is a must thing to do in Universal Studios. We do not recommend this ride as they charge $15 to $20 extra for lockers, which is non-refundable. We explored the Space Chase ride, which was amazing and glittery in dark.
You call that a spaceship? Ah, this just in. Hear it. Save that spaghetti! 4 seconds to countdown. Hang on! On his feet! And I've got you! Your submarine plan is coming to a boil!
The Madagascar ride is highly recommended for kids. I'm sure they will love it.
Hey Marty, we're being sent away! It's a transfer! It's a zoo transfer!
What do you mean, transfer?
Is anyone else feeling nauseous? I feel nauseous.
You did the scoop that do get. I like to move it.
Hey, there's a party going on! We should have brought chips and dip!
Smiles, everyone.
Never ever miss this Water World stunt show. This was incredible.